Hello, today is May 19, Thursday, NQ price action. So after market open today, we were at the base here, which was previous week's low here. So the price keep running up, and we are having this channel line here or trend line, and the price respected these areas here multiple times. See, so the bulls managed to push the price all the way up here to this zone, which I was expecting a reaction from here because we had a previous price action here, and there is a resistance line here. So we already tried one break through this here, but no success here, and then this is the second try, and I'm expecting to do this like an M pattern here and possibly a price return and test this channel line here. So on the bigger time frame, this is what it look like, and on the smaller time frames, I have 1 minute here, which is this is the 50 SMA line here. Then expecting to break that can be a good signal for down. And on the 800 is the same way. We have this channel forming. Now we have this moving average line coming up here, and I'm expecting a bar, a strong signal bar crossing moving average and close the price outside of this channel here. So this is the setup right now in my mind, and we have this initial push, and yes, we have a strong move from down like this. Usually after a strong move, you know, you supposed to go with the flow and then go to longs here, but the position of the setup is very important. So we are at the top of the range here, which we have some resistance from previous price action. So this area could be a return point, and you could be able to see some bears try to push this price down all the way to this zone here, or even back to these lows here. So because of that, I am thinking about shorten this break here. Okay, so waiting that signal bar here, I'm making my channel line here. Try to touch as much as bars and wicks possible, not just do from outside wicks. Okay, that bar is now crossing. If it closed like that, it'd be a nice signal bar there. And the 50 SMA is broken by the 1 minute. Okay, I entered 2 contracts there. Okay, 1 minute is closed under the SMA line there. It testing that 25, and now it's testing that maybe bottom of that channel. Okay, nicely prices coming down here. Okay, testing 21 exponential on the 4000 tick here. That is the M pattern there I was looking for. I'm gonna get ready to take one contract off there.
Target filled.
Okay, took the second contract off. that's a nice push there. And this was about to measure move, that's why I took the second contract off. It may continue more down, but before that it may pull back and then continue. So they most likely gonna try to reach this trend line here. Okay, now it is gonna test this 25 moving average. Okay, so this is another channel there after this move here. Now, also on the watching that 4,000 tick chart, this channel line here, because after, if I see a break here, then it can be a good sign for price continue down from this point. Yeah, it's a big push there. Yeah, it's a very big red signal bar there. Yeah, when it's the signal bar is like too big, it is not easy to enter it because of the distance, too far away. So I'm waiting this channel here to break, because this can be a bounce from here and the price may continue up after a bounce to retest this area here. But I want to see the price under this channel line here. Okay, so the bar is closed right on the edge of the 50 and the channel line here. So price right now under the line here. So I enter two positions right here, and thinking that if the price goes back above this level, above this trend line here, I will exit the position. And we had this big nice signal bar here as well, and above that channel is broken. Okay, now testing the 200 exponential on the 1 minute here. Yeah, price still may go back, jump back up there, so still not sure if we're gonna see a dump from here. Okay, I see that. I like that wick here, like that. That's a nice push there. Okay, yeah, I like this bar too as well on the 4,000 tick chart here. It may retest though. Usually it may retest underneath the channel line or trend line.
Target filled.
Okay, so I took my first target off and then decided to get another target off, second one here, thinking that this is gonna do a retest underneath there. Okay, this is the second contract off. And it actually went down to this zone here. Okay, so the price is coming back to test that moving average lines here. You got 21 and 50 SMA there, and I have that channel line on the 800 tick here, and I was pointing out this point here. If the price can go above this level, break it and bounce from here, it may be a possible continuation for the down. So that's what I'm looking for, and I like that wick on that 1 minute chart from the 50 SMA there and 200. So I'm looking for this price push this through this moving average lines and then break this channel line. Then can be a possible another short entry here, because we have so much already down move, so we have the momentum behind us, so it can be a possible that for a continuation and testing these lows here, or maybe even more this area here. So that is the plan. Okay, get ready to see that if that breaks. Okay, nicely printing right now. Okay, if it closes like that, it will be nice signal bar without too much wick underneath, and the price needs to be outside of that channel. Okay, nicely closed.
Order filled.
Okay, enter the position there. Okay, on that 1 minute is Vwap trying to break that, but see a bounce there so far, which I didn't like it too much. And after seeing this green bar here, I was kind of thinking, is it gonna be a bounce from the Vwap line here? It may do another run up before continue down. So I'm kind of thinking that make this trade break even right now because of this bounce here on the Vwap and that green bar printed here.
Stop filled.
I wanted to see another red bar here. Now they are retesting, maybe thinking right now on the retest underneath that channel here. Okay, 2 contracts there. Oh, it just missed me by a tick. Yeah, it didn't feel me there. And it didn't feel me right after here, so I was just chasing it, and then I never got filled. And right after that it was too far away, so I decided not to. It didn't feel me right there, I barely missed it, and right after that we had this nice push down here, and they basically retest this level here. And yeah, that was a missed trade. So that was all the trades for today, and I hope this helps in some way, and I will see you on the next video.